How's it going, everyone? I hope you guys had a great week. Today's the day that I announce the 10K giveaway winner. But before I do that, I want to take a moment to show my appreciation for all of you guys supporting the channel. Without you, none of this would be possible, and it means a lot to me that you guys take the time out of your day to watch my videos. And on top of that, you're super supportive. Making these videos can be a lot of work sometimes, but with your support and encouragement, it's all worth it in the end. So thank you. And thanks again to all the brands that donated to this giveaway. You guys rock. All right, so that's enough talk. I'm sure you guys are ready to know who won this giveaway. So the winner of this 10K giveaway is Caleb Pratt. Congratulations, man. I think you're gonna love this setup. Go ahead and email me. I'm gonna put my email down in the description. So shoot over your contact info and I'll get this package sent out to you. Thank you everyone who has entered in this giveaway. Now, if you want another chance at winning, I'm gonna be doing another giveaway on my Instagram page. So make sure you go follow me at Quality HVACR for the details. Well, that's it for me, guys. Hit that thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, see you on the next one.